Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to delete reposts on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know how to remove or how to delete reposts on TikTok. You have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the profile. This type of screen appeared and you can see your post videos here. You can see which video is posted 2 times or which video is reposted. You have to click on that video and click on the 3 dots. Scroll this bar and click on this delete option. Your video will be deleted that you reposted. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.